What up, home cooks? Hey, it's me, it's your boy. I'm back again. I got a good one for you. I told y'all I like this thing, so check it out. I'm gonna do these coconut shrimp. It ain't gonna take but a minute. This is something I do when I get home, I'm tired. It ain't the day that we record. This takes about 8-9 minutes. This is it. It's a secret. Don't tell nobody. Look here. We got some big old shrimp. You understand me? Y'all know how I get on. Them ain't the biggest one, but they big. We got a cup of flour, all-purpose flour right here. Got a cup of unsweetened, organic. I don't know why they keep saying it. If you grow it, it's organic unless you did something to it. Anyway, coconut right here. Got almost a cup panko breadcrumbs, you dig? And this right here is just 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. I put that in there with my flour whenever I fry anything. A lot of times, not every time, but a lot of times just because I'll make sure it's extra like crispy. For some reason, it gives it that crunch. This right here is just a mix up of seasonings that I use for the shrimp. Now, there's not a lot of salt in here. It's a lot of different garlic and different things like that. But the reason why I'm not going to tell you exactly, there is some lemon pepper in here and garlic powder. But there's no old whatever and all the rest of that. There's none of that in there. The reason why I'm not telling you what's in there, because everybody likes something different on their shrimp. Oh yeah, cayenne pepper, tablespoon. That's in there. Like a hot baby. So listen, you put what you like on your shrimp. Follow everything else, but far as seasons, put like how you want it. If you don't know the measurements, 1 to 1, everything 1 to 1. So if you're doing a quarter teaspoon of say salt, quarter teaspoon everything else. If something you want to taste more of it, then half a teaspoon, or you know, it depends on how much you cook it. So if you're cooking a lot, then make it a teaspoon. If you're cooking even more, make it a tablespoon, just like that. But got a good announcement for y'all real quick. Coming out with a little seasoning line. Working on it right now. It's gonna be seasoning for everything. It's gonna be. I'm gonna have a chicken seasoning, or just all around poultry, seafood seasoning, and then stuff for like greens, like collard greens, stuff like that, and just all around spices. I'm doing all that. It's coming. I'm working on it. It's gonna be a little minute, but don't worry about it. This is what we just gave away. There is another giveaway coming up, so you got to make sure you do what you're supposed to do so you can get that. But without further ado, without talking your ear off, you understand me, let's get this thing cracking. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix this all-purpose flour with the cornstarch, right? Just give it a mix so that you know that everything is the way it's supposed to be, you know, all mixed up and everything. You got to push a little bit on this spatula because I put the cornstarch in there first. And it could be stuck to the bottom. I don't know if it is, but it could be. Then I'm gonna take my seasoning. And if you wanna know exactly how much this is, I'm gonna tell you right now, hold on. It's 1, it's 2. 2.5 tablespoons of your favorite seasoning. That's all that is. Now they're gonna say, oh, that's a lot, but you gotta remember. Matter of fact, I didn't use no salt. I didn't use any salt at all. I used spices, no salt. It's not gonna need it. So, we're gonna get these two out your way. Set these back here. Now, what I'm gonna do, set this on here. I'm gonna preheat it, 400 degrees. I'm gonna set this timer. I'm gonna set it for 10 minutes. There it is, just like that. Like that preheat. Ooh, I gotta sneeze. But I'm gonna hold it, just for y'all. Now, we're gonna mix this coconut, this panko together. Just like that. Now, check it out. Bring this over here. Now, see, if y'all wasn't here, this wouldn't be nowhere near as difficult because I make a big old mess and get it done and get it out of the way. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dip this shrimp in the flour, in the egg, into that, lay it in the basket. That's all it is to it. Just like this. Now you can use those different seasoned flours they have for this stuff. Some of it is for chicken, some of it is for fish. You can do that, but I just did that. So, you know, I'm gonna have the flour, I'm gonna have all these seasonings anyway. It's all coming out. I'm working on it. You know, and you can just about understand what the name of it is, you dig? So look, boom, put that in there like that. Shake off the excess, put it in there. Yeah, I know I should be using one hand wet, one hand dry. But guess what? I'm at home. So I'm gonna do what I wanna do. Lay it in there like that. Now, once I get done doing all that, I'm gonna spray it. Get your favorite spray, non-stick spray, and spray them both sides, just like that. Seasons, boy, woo. I've been working on that all day too, so I got some stuff on the stove for aromatics. I got, you know, it's a process. We'll get there. Just like that. Yep, it's a little bit messy, but it's all right. Now, depending on the size of the shrimp that you have, you can get a lot more done than this, but you want a single layer. You don't want to stack them up. Trust me when I tell you too, these right here are already gone. I might give me a couple of these. We're gonna set this to the side for right now. Let me show you. Spray it. Now, take this off. Set this in there. Now, starts all over. Now, in 3 minutes, I'm gonna take them out, flip them, spray them again, give them 2.5, 3 more minutes, and it's over. It's a wrap. They're done. So, all right, y'all. It's been a few minutes, you know, about 10 minutes or so. Set that right there. Show y'all what we working with. See now, they getting there. All I'm gonna do is take them and flip them over just like that. It's been about 3 minutes, that's all. Y'all already know I got these Teflon fingers, man. I don't really need no tongs unless it's sticking like that one did. But it's all right. They can stick all they want to. It's still gonna get ate. Spray them again. Spray it heavily. Ooh, nope. Put him back in there. Just like that. Oh, I got it backwards. Just like that. Boom. Now when I take them out this time, they'll be done. All right, everybody. Look, I told y'all it don't take but a minute. This is a short video. I just needed a little snack, you understand me? A little fresh lime, a little cilantro, you know? But I'm telling you something about mine. Everything on this I can eat. Sometimes you go to a restaurant, they make it all pretty and everything. You can't eat everything. You can eat everything on this. You hear me? Now, everything nice and crunchy, just like I told you it was going to be. I do this all the time. This is what I do. I come in, I put it together, I throw it in. I don't have to measure a bunch of stuff because I'm not on YouTube. I can just, if it's too salty, oh well. If it's not enough salt, I'll add some. But for y'all, I showed you what to do. You can do it just like I did. You better get you one of these. I'm trying to tell you. I know it sounds, just get one. Peace.